same exact time. Okay. So yeah, make sure to like and wait a minute. Like and subscribe stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Like the video. Like the video in 5 seconds, or else your Fortnite account is gonna get hacked, and you're gonna have no V-Bucks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you like it? Good, you're not getting hacked.
If you don't like it, your account will be hacked by me.
Oh no, you don't want your account to be hacked by him.
I can get his... Bro.
What?
I can get their...
Pass. Oh no.
200 V-Bucks. I'm gonna get
Oh
it,
no.
okay? I'm gonna give myself some V-Bucks one. So
You don't want your V-Bucks to go away, don't you?
I can get.
Okay, yeah, I literally hate these types of videos. Okay, yeah.
100 V-Bucks to you, bro.
Okay.
Bro, let's go closer. You want?
Okay, we're going Pleasant.
Pleasant. Okay. Bro.
What?
Hey guys, if you don't like it right now, and subscribe right now, or your account will be hacked.
This dude literally just left because he probably had no idea what we're doing. We're making a video, by the way. And you're part of it.
No? Can someone speak?
I don't think he has a mic. I'm trying to get good content here.
And he's a YouTuber right now, so...
Yeah, I'm recording right now. I just need to change my name to my YouTube channel, then YT, so whenever they're in my YouTube video, they will know.
Excuse me. Oh my God.
Excuse me, coming through. I'm coming through. It's me. I'm just holding my
Excuse me.
I'm just holding my my. What?
Oh, you scared me a lot!
Ah, someone's here. They threw a grenade.
Oh, that's a blind.
Wait a minute. Who made that song? I need to give credit to them or else I'll get copyright.
Oh, so noob. Don't get that pistol.
I literally killed 3 people in a row with one pistol before. Okay? I barely got damaged.
No, that's mine.
Okay, fine. Get noob.
Okay, you can get that. Get that back. You're so noob.
Get noob.
I can get. Bro, you're so noob. Did you see this machine?
I didn't want that machine.
Because that has a sniper.
I don't even like the infantry rifle.
Oh, Bro, you're so blind.
I don't like the infantry rifle.
Hey, you want this? A secret? I'm showing you one, okay?
Do you want this brick that I have? That I bashed on your head? No, there is not. That was from that one house where there's that rolling refrigerator. There's a secret door behind there.
I know that, bro, because I watched your video.
I didn't even make a video on that.
Yes, you are the other day.
No, I didn't.
Look on your channel.
I literally make the videos on my channel. I think I should know there's only grenade in there.
What is that? Oh no. There's someone else in here. So run. Go, so run.
Don't worry, I got
Run,
this.
so red. Rifle.
I'm gonna go over and try to kill them. Oh my gosh. Fortnite Pro, help me. Fortnite Pro, I know you're Fortnite Pro and you probably don't have time to help me. To help a noob like me.
Ow!
But
I'm a
still.
noob too, bro!
Hey, do you wanna like, you know, like, wait a minute. Yeah. Just die.
Oh, I got my reboot card.
Wait, how's your reboot card still up? This is like a weird glitch.
No, I'm spectating a one, and
I'm spectating you, dude. I'm spectating the guy that didn't even kill me.
what card?
I'm spectating Fatted Leone.
What?
I'm spectating Fatted Leone 1 IG50. Makes no sense, but okay.
Oh, that. Okay, let's leave the match and play another game.
Alright.
Let's go. Forget the recording.
I didn't even upload.
Forget the recording.
You were literally on my old account that I can't even upload on anymore. I don't know how, but that one video just went to my old account. I can't upload on that account anymore.
Your video right now? No?
Oh yeah. I actually can't even make my videos. What the heck is wrong? Okay, actually can't even make my videos 15 minutes long for some reason.
Hey guys!
What?
If you're hearing me, hey, row.
What? I think so. I think they did.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, or I will hack your account if you've got 400.
And click that
100.
notification bell.
Got 800.
And click
I'm
that
gonna
notification bell.
I'm gonna
Or-
show you.
And if you click that notification bell,
Yeah.
the next game you play, you'll get a victory royale.
Yeah. I'm gonna help you. I'm a hacker. I can hack you.
Yeah, he can hack people to die.
All the people.
Not really.
that
Not really. Not really. No, not really. He can't actually.
I think that. Then don't go to prison because so many people.
Why does no one that I get into a game with have a mic? Like, the heck?
They have a mic.
No, they don't.
Right over the bed. Left because they hear us. Because they go to YouTube.
People think we're crazy, but we're not. Okay, we are not crazy.
So, hey, Jack's K-pop.
I Jax Kapot.
Sorry about that because they're new.
Yeah,
Yeah,
help us. We are noobs. Unless you're a noob too, then we'd be like the noob trio.
Yeah, noob trio.
What is? Wait, is it just? Oh, okay. What?
Hey, get that.
Wait, what? I have nothing. There's nothing here. I almost did it. I will commit back. Okay, yeah, I'm not saying that. Eat. Wee.
Hey, get this chest. Get this chest, bro.
What was that? What? Stop talking so loud. And which chest?
There. Chest up there.
Oh, there is a chest. There usually is no chest right
You
there.
can get that. Because I know the secret in here. There's some secret in here.
There is no secrets. That's
Even
not it.
in Lot Lake. Yeah, Lot Lake.
It's called Loot Lake.
I want to call it Lot Lake. Good thing we're not dropping out, Pleasant Park because we had circle. Let's go to the table.
Yeet.
Table.
Be careful. There is tryhards here. Like how I used to be a tryhard. I am trying to kill everyone with a gray. Hey, this dude who killed me looks exactly like me. Come on, you can't kill the guy who looks exactly like you.
Don't worry.
You can't kill your twin. CPT Lancelot killed me, and I'm his twin. Literally. Jax K. Potkin. There's a dude who looks exactly like me. No, goes to the side, 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 to the side. Oh, wait. I can't spectate him. He's teaming up with enemies. You're teaming up with enemies. I think that might be my twin. That kid. I think that person is my twin. Well, I'm actually gonna have to end the video here. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe or he'll hack your account. And if you don't hit that, and if you hit that notification bell, you'll get a victory royale next game you play. So, bye.